Oh, now you got a gorilla walking down the hall. God damn it. This is not the fucking zoo! There's people that live here! There's children that live here! You fucking asshole! Let me go check out because there's a dog barking like crazy outside. Hold on. Did you guys see an animal? Fucking rhino or.
Bro, actually just passed. Yeah, it's huge. That one? Swear.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh. Now I have proof. My neighbors saw the animals in this complex. Look, those two guys could have been killed. All right? You're freaking out my fucking neighbors. You're freaking me out. I can't handle this anymore.